And I'm back on your screen. Welcome back. Today I will be doing a hair tutorial that was requested while I was doing a live, so I thought I would make the video, show the process of how I care for my hair. So this is my hair that I have woken up from. I do keep it in a ponytail at night, every night that I remember. And then I just brush out my hair to detangle it, so that when I take a shower, all the loose hairs, the hairs that naturally have fallen out over time, in the night and day, will all get trapped into the brush. And this is a detangling brush, so it goes very easy and glides through the hair. And after this, I will take my shower and shampoo my hair. And I will be back after that. Here's the back. I have just had my shower and I use a very small amount of shampoo, no conditioner. When I am shampooing my hair, I shampoo it as normal. And before I get out of the shower, I flip upside down and I do just a little swirl on top of my head and I come out. So it's basically like this. And then I wrap the towel as it's dripping, like this. And because it's drying up, it will have more volume when I take it down. So at this point, I will do whatever I have to do. I have left my hair like this for like an hour. It's fine. I think it comes out more voluminous. And I'll just like work in the roots every now and then to help the hair dry. So at this point, I have brushed my teeth and done whatever, and I mess with it a little bit. I go a little upside down and do it, let it, and I go like this, just towel dry a little bit. And I rewrap. So about 40 minutes have gone by. I haven't done my makeup. I started cooking, and I will just let my hair down. And as it dries, I just shape it and fluff it up. But look at the volume just from there, from being pulled up into the towel, like so. And I just help it out like that. And I think right now, even though I'm doing this, I'm putting the curls in, I am going to rewrap it. And I work the roots to dry them, and I rewrap my hair gently, softly. It's a little puffy to let the air through. This is a very thin and lightweight towel. And right now I'm doing my makeup and my hair is drying some, so I go like this. There are some curls that need some help, and I will just get them and wrap them around my finger like that. There. And I am back and I have let the towel down, and all I do is keep going like this. And although hair does have some frizz in it, I don't mind. I like it. I think it makes my hair look fuller, and I have fluffed it up a few times. I was doing a live, if you guys noticed or saw that, like I show how I fluff up my hair, but my hair is almost completely dry right now. I haven't changed and put on my full outfit, but I did my makeup. And here's the hair from the back. This. And that is basically what I do. Brush it before, simple shampoo, any shampoo. I will use anything, like it doesn't even have to be specific. And what I do is like once my hair gets really dry, and it'll go about like I do a conditioning treatment every month, and it is the color, and these hairs are my natural gray hairs. Okay, whatever you see as yellow is a natural gray hair, and I will show you. This is what I usually put on my hair, which is a coloring conditioner, but I think any conditioner, and I dilute it with regular conditioner, regular drugstore conditioner, and it does get, I leave it in my hair for 4 hours, and I put it with a plastic bag and a beanie cap to help the hair penetrate, and afterwards it stays really soft and really nice. But I do this about once a month, and I keep it upside down because there's only a little bit right now. But this is what I'm using. It is Neon Moon. It's got a hint of green in it, which I really like. And then I also add green to it too. I use Cosmic Yellow normally. And I do have more videos of that on my channel if you want to see the process of the conditioning mask that I put on my hair to make my hair look more moist. And you can see it afterwards. It does make a pretty big difference. And I also remember learning that when you sleep, as you're laying on it, the heat can damage your hair, and you are 98 degrees naturally. So when you're sleeping, you're resting on your hair, that's 98 degrees. So that's why I put my hair up in a ponytail. It's very soft. It's not that tight. It's just to keep my hair up so that the only hair that I'm laying on really is just the back of the hair. So there's that also. And I think the haircut also plays a role with how your hair winds up looking. If you have just a straight blunt cut and it's heavy, that can also weigh down the hair, which I've started doing like this layered cut. I do cut my hair myself, so it gives a more full, rounded look, which also helps make it look like I have more hair. So that's it. That is how I do my hair and take care of my hair right now. I do change my routine, and I have been evolving my routine as time goes on. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I hope you're having a beautiful day. See ya!